Hello, my name is Alex Walker. I'm the CEO of East Star Resources, and I'm extremely pleased today to be presenting the independent exploration target for the Verkhuba copper zinc lead deposit. The Verkhuba exploration target, as we've just defined, is 19 to 23 million tonnes at 1.4 to 1.9% copper equivalent. It's on a licence 100% owned by East Star Resources and is in the Rudny Altai volcanic massive sulphide belt, which is a famous VMS belt, both prolific, high grade, and we feel still tremendously underexplored. There's two major producers in our part of the belt, both Kazminerals and Kazzinc. Each of them own a concentrator, Kazminerals 52 kilometres from the Verkhuba deposit and Kazzinc 110 kilometres. Both those concentrators have excess capacity today. Kazzinc also own a smelter 70 kilometres to the south of the deposit in regional centre Usk-Gorsk, also with excess capacity. And what we hope this means is that should we be able to develop an economic project, there'll be optionality for a fast to market and low capex development opportunity. So looking at the deposit itself, it's no ordinary exploration target. The target has been derived from more than 42,000 metres of drilling from the 1950s all the way through to the late 1980s. There's 97 boreholes within the region, and there is 100 by 100 metre grid spacing within the central part of the deposit. We've started to refine open pit and underground areas. The open pit uses a 0.38% copper equivalent cut-off grade, and that includes standard mining economics, including mining costs, processing costs, dilution, and royalties. And the underground has a cut-off grade of 0.86%. So this isn't a global resource you're getting. It's actually a resource that we feel is potentially mineable. On top of that, we believe that there's the opportunity to add precious metals. In metallurgical test work in the 70s and 80s, they recovered 0.3 grams gold and 14.2 grams silver. And so certainly adding that across the exploration target would increase the grades and hopefully increase the tonnage of the project. I should point out that of the 1.4 to 1.9% copper equivalent, the vast majority of that is actually copper, 1 to 1.4% copper and 1 to 1.4% zinc with 0.1 to 0.2% lead. So what are we hoping to do next? Well, the absolute priority this year is as soon as we can in summer is to get drilling on this resource conversion. And so the immediate focus will be converting this exploration target to a JORC resource. The secondary focus will be to extend the size of that resource, both within the footprint of the Verkhuba deposit itself with the potential upside there, and also with the very high impact and tremendously exciting electromagnetic targets derived from our helicopter survey in in June, July of 2022. And as you can see here, 4 of those priority 1 targets are within the Verkhuba ore district. Just in terms of valuation, should we be able to convert this exploration target to JORC resource, shareholders can expect quite a significant uplift if East Star are to meet the average of our peer group on the TSX, AIM and ASX markets. The average they're trading at is $136.1 per tonne copper, and based on our exploration target today, East Star is trading at about $18.4 per tonne. So in summary, 2023 is going to be a very exciting year for East Star Resources. We hope to be converting an exploration target to a JORC resource. We hope to be testing a large number of very, very exciting EM conductors, both in and around the Verkhuba deposit itself and around the Verkhuba ore district, as well as some regional targets potentially within the greater Rudny Altai package. We have 2 other projects, a rare earth project in East Kostanay with assays pending in the very near future. And we have 2 licenses in the truly orogenic gold belt with more than 1 million ounces of potential for upside for gold. And we're also very happy to be operating in Kazakhstan. Kazakhstan has the mineral wealth and the political will to become a major supplier of critical and strategic minerals. And that's reiterated by the fact that both the European Union and the United Kingdom have recently signed agreements with Kazakhstan to become a supplier of preference for those minerals. So we're very happy to be operating here. We're up for a very, very exciting 2023. Thank you very much.